Digital marketing for baby boomers. 5 simple steps. Hey, Mark Nelson here. And to tell you the truth, this is for anybody who wants to create an online business. And I actually have a great freebie that I'll tell you about at the very end for this video, so please hang on. And I'll tell you right at the very end. 5 simple steps to build your business online. That's all it is. Step 1. Before you go, can you do me a favor? Because I'm talking to you about baby boomers. Can you put in the comments below if you're baby boomers? I think you can tell. Excuse me, I mumbled baby boomers. I think you can tell I am a baby boomer. I love it. Because I'm getting ready to retire. In fact, I'm coming to you from my RV. My wife and I worked for this very hard. We live here. We live on a lake. If I show you a video down below, the lake's like 30 yards away, and we just thoroughly love our life. We did it by creating a digital marketing business. So that's why I'm here, is to show you how you can create a digital marketing business in 5 simple steps. Step 1 is you have to find out what you are passionate about, what you can get behind. Right? See, if you're passionate about something and you can get behind it, you can actually make money with it online. And there's 3 places, 3 areas to make money online. It's wealth, health, and relationships. Right? I happen to be in the wealth industry. I teach people how to make money online. A lot of people are in the health industry. They teach people how to lose weight, how to eat better, and they're all glorious. A lot of people are in a relationship business. Again, I do wealth. So I want to share with you how you can make your business. Now, the easiest way in step 1 is find out what you're passionate about. You can become an affiliate marketer really quickly. And what affiliate marketing is that people make their own products and you can become an affiliate from them. And when you market them, if you sell one, you get a percentage of that profit. That's how most people get started. But maybe you want to do network marketing. In fact, to tell you the truth, I've been in everyone. I am an affiliate marketer. I do network marketing, or I did network marketing. I've since changed that area. And I really go on and make my own courses. In fact, I can get you into my course. Digital Marketing Blueprint will really help you out big time. See, but that's where it is. You want to be health, wellness, relationships. You can be an affiliate marketer and network marketing, or you can do your own courses. Step 2. This is a big one, especially for a baby boomer, because when I came online, I didn't know any of this stuff. I didn't know how to do copy and paste. I didn't know how to do much online because we didn't grow up in that computer area. Step 2 is you need to become a student. Okay, there's a term out there called ILT. It's called Invest, Learn, and Teach. The I stands for investing. It's either investing your time and perhaps some money to learn something. And when you learn it, you teach it. Now, I happen to be a teacher. I'm an educator. In all honesty, I teach high school math. So the coolest part was when I came on here, my mind is in numbers. I didn't know anything about online marketing. So I had to go learn. Right? I had to go find people just like me. So I joined a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. In fact, I have one that I'll put the link down below that you can join. And every day we do training to help people build their online business. And then you can find a mentor, right? Whether it's me, I suggest me. But you can find a mentor online. Man, I've had couples. In fact, I've hired coaches where I go different directions. I've hired a mindset coach. I've hired somebody how to make a course. Now I have a coach that helps me make videos. A coach that helps me make videos. But I keep on growing because I want to, what I learn, I get to teach. And speaking about a mentor, you can purchase you can purchase courses. I mean, that's all what it's about. Maybe you can buy a course, right? Like I have a very inexpensive course called Digital Marketing Blueprint. You can follow the steps I'm teaching you, and then you go out and teach them to somebody else. That's what it's all about. In your own words, you don't create everything, word by word. Now, step 3 is you got to utilize tools and resources. And down below, you're going to see some great tools. One is you need some place to be online. Now, I have my own blog and had it for a long time. In fact, that's how it started. But I also have a software program that lets me build funnels. And what does a funnel do? I put up a web page. In fact, if you click on the link to get to my digital marketing blueprint, it's going to go to a page. It's going to ask you for your name and email. And that's the next tool is you get to go on my email, my autoresponder. And then you get on my newsletter, which I put out, and I put out training and start sharing more and more of my life so people get to know who I am, to build up a know, like, and trust factor. So step 3 was utilize tools and resources. Step 4, and I mentioned this before, go find a successful mentor. Whatever area you are in, go find one. They're online all over. Just Google. Get on YouTube and type their name in. They're all over the place. If they have a YouTube channel, you can watch their YouTube videos and learn from them every time they put a video out. In fact, I really suggest you doing that. In fact, what I would like you to do is give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and then ding on that notification because I put out training videos all the time. I can possibly be your mentor. Here's step 5. This is the biggest challenge. Very serious. Get started. Don't let anything hold you back. Just get started. That's all it is. See, for the longest time, I didn't know. I kept thinking about it. I wanted to do my own course, but I didn't know how to do it. I kind of, oh man, what the heck? And then I finally said, well, this is baloney. I'm not playing small no more. And I got started. And I started making courses. Why? Because I have a voice. You have a voice. You have a voice that people need to hear. You have so much knowledge stored in you, people need to hear it. So let's recap. Step 1 is find something you get behind, what you're passionate about, and then learn how to make money from that. Step 2, become a student. That's a big step. Step 3 is utilize all your resources and tools. Step 4 is get help from a successful mentor. And step 5 is a big one. Just get started. Hey, like I promised you earlier, I have a free resource. It's called How to Create a Six-Figure Online Business Without Leaving Your Home, Cold Calling, or Paid Ads. The link's in the description below. Grab that, and then let's get you started on your online business, on your own online business. Make sure you subscribe. We will talk to you later. Bye.